Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change the slow motion speed in XIAOMI Redmi Note 9S. First you need to open your camera app, then go to the right and here find the slow motion. Then to record the video, tap and then you can tap on the three lines on the top right corner and choose the speed of our slow motion video using this three button. This is low speed and this is high speed and medium. And this for all for today. We changed the speed of the video on slow motion in our XIAOMI Redmi Note 9S. And that's all for today. Goodbye.